if I was watching this video on my own, I would have these thoughts that maybe aren't true. But when I start having conversations with others around this, that becomes this community reading experience, right? This community experience of when we look at media. So when I see this, I want to share it with you to get your opinion about it, right? Which makes it go viral. But that is what we call the community reading experience. This is that concept of like consuming media online and then liking it, sharing it, and adding comments. Because when my friends share a video with me, I believe it because they shared it with me. My friends shared it with me, right? Or somebody I respect in politics or I respect in the world shares something. I might believe it because they shared it. And the opposite is true when somebody I don't respect shares something. I'm like, that's probably not true, right? That's probably not true. Or I don't know that person well enough to believe it.